In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Kayo Sports app. First of all, launch open Kayo Sports application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Kayo Sports application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to log in to your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile and settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Simply wait for a while and you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. What you have to do is enter your email or phone number over here. Tap on the field of email or mobile number. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email or mobile number over here. After you do that, also enter your password. Tap on the field of password and enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password, tap on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to sign in. So that is how you log in Kayo Sports app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.